Today we are discussing management of long hair in ladies, and we are discussing combs especially, and combs and brushes. Combs are like dense combs and thin combs, and while we are discussing the combs, they will be in metal, plastic and wooden. I would suggest you wooden combs and thin combs. They are not dense. They should be going softly in the long hair and they don't damage the long hair. Other thing is brushes. Brushes are again in metal, in plastic and in wooden. And I would suggest you thin brushes with long spikes, and they should be used softly, and I would suggest you wooden brushes so that we can manage the long hair softly and avoid damaging them. Thank you very much. And next time we will discuss ponytails.